In this lecture number 13 of Learn Python by Writing 60 plus real life program course, we will write a program to check if the entered number from user is positive, negative or 0. So let's start by understanding the logic of the program. We know that if a number is greater than 0, then it is a positive number. Example 1, 2, 3. If a number is equal to 0, then it is 0, only 0. If a number is smaller than 0, then it is a negative number. For example, -1, -2, -3. So let's start by writing a program for the same. Our first step is to ask the number from the user. We will create a variable number and we'll use input function to take input from user. Input. Inside input, the message for user. Enter the number. But the input function will return a string value. So we need to convert it to an integer value. We need to use int function. Done. Now, our first condition. If, which is a keyword, the number is greater than 0. Let's see the greater than operator in Python. This greater than symbol is used for greater than and less than is used for less than. So if number is greater than 0, then we will print number is positive. Then if the number is less than 0, then we will print number is negative. At the end, if the number is equal to 0, to check if it is equal to, we use the operator for equal, which is double equal to. If number is equal to 0, then we will print 0. Done. Before executing our program, let's visualize that how our program will be executed. Let's say the number is positive 5. So if number is greater than 0, so 5 is greater than 0, true, then it will come to print statement and it will print number is positive here. Then it should not come to if condition to check if it is smaller than 0, as if a number is greater than 0, it cannot be smaller than 0. So why is our program checking if the number is smaller than 0? So for that we need to use Elif. Elif. If number is greater than 0, do this. Else if it is not true, if the condition is not greater than 0, then only check this. And at the end, else. So for that we need to use Elif and else. Now enter the number, again 5. If the number is greater than 0, true, it will print the print statement number is positive. Then it will directly jump to the end of if else. It will not check the Elif and else part. So this saves time, and efficiency is the most important part of programming. So now coming to our programming part. Let's run this by pressing F5. Enter the number, let's say 45, positive, true. Once again, -98, negative, true. And 0, 0. 0, correct. Now our program is working correctly. Now in the next lecture, which is lecture number 14, we will write a program to find the largest among three numbers. Meet you there.